Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add opening animation all on FilmoraGo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your FilmoraGo apps, and then in here you just click on a new project, and then add the video that you want to edit, this one. And then after this, if you wanna add opening animation on FilmoraGo apps, you just click on the clips, and then in here you just click on animation at the bottom, and in here you can see many opening animation. You can choose everything you like, maybe this one or this one, or you can choose everything you like, but in here I wanna choose this one. You can set the duration. You just swipe this icon to left or right like this, and then after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add opening animation on FilmoraGo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.